So after the big play, breakfast, whatnot, this is what happens. They all sleep. They all find a place to crash. Somebody there. There's Charlotte taking a nap. I don't think anybody's in the pen. Nope. Sometimes they go in there. No, I think they're all here. Hi Maggie, how are you doing? And they get to use the big dog's food and water. And yeah, they're all in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, everybody. 4 in there. There's 2 bums over here. Snoozing together, or maybe they're having a little chew on something, but they fell asleep chewing it. That's pretty funny. They were sharing a boomie and they fell asleep. Yep, so that's the cuteness around here. It really is overwhelming. Look at this sleeping bear. Oh, I woke up the sleeping bear. Hello. I'm sorry I woke you up.